Hey guys, and welcome to the video. So today, well not today, this whole week I thought I would basically film what I'm getting up to and kind of do like a university week of my life kind of thing. I've got a few things going on this week, but yeah, it's currently Monday. It is 1:05 this morning. My milk had gone off whilst I've been away for the weekend, which you'll see in my last video. I went on the People's Vote March in London, so go check that out. I'll link it in the comments down below. But I had milk that wasn't going to go off until the 24th. It's the 22nd. It was unopened. Opened it last night to make a cup of tea and it gone lumpy, which was lovely. Anyway, Ella texted me this morning going, "You awake? I'm ordering McDonald's breakfast." So Elle's ordered us McDonald's breakfast, and I'm currently I've just finished editing my People's Vote March video on my laptop down here, as you can see. It's just exporting at the moment, and then I'm going to upload it to YouTube. Today's quite like a chill day. I only have one lecture today. I've got French existentialism this afternoon. We were reading Sartre, Being for Others. I read it on the train yesterday. Should make some sense of it in the lecture today. And then this evening, when I get back, I'm going to the gym with Ella. And then, yeah, this evening we've got a house cocktail movie night. Ella's going to read our tarot cards for fun because she's got a little set her mum bought her for doing loads of work over the summer, so that's going to be fun. So I'll see you when we're doing that kind of stuff later. So I'm now back from my lecture. I had French existentialism, which is basically just Sartre. This isn't focused on my face, okay. And now me and Ella are going to the gym, then we're going to Tesco to get some food, and also we're having a house cocktail night tonight. Last week we had cocktail night on Monday as well, but we went out. Today we're making them ourselves, so we're gonna get some snacks and stuff for that as well. Yeah, I'm going to the gym now. Might bring you along to Tesco, but definitely not the gym.
There are people out
there. There's
there.
Apparently a full moon.
Coming in 2 days.
It's up there. Coming in 2 days, says Ella. To a moon near you. And Ella's gonna read our tarot cards later.
I am at that.
But me and Ella need showers first because we've been to the gym.
This is a bloody big tripod.
We like tripods.
We do. We must do this. This is the one that's like sleeping with the other girl. She's gonna hate me. Three lights.
It's happening.
It's scaring me. Okay, so the way we do this, I need to remember this because I forget. It's been a while. So the first card is a place of the unknown. Okay. The place of the known. Place of the promise is what's promised to you. This is what will increase. This is what will be fulfilled, and this is the place of rebirth. So give me a second because it's going to take me a second. Wait, in competition or rivalry, they may be struggling with an inner rather than an outer conflict. Ooh. So who's up?
It's recording.
I love how you're recording yours.
I'm doing a weekly vlog. I recorded some of yours as well.
I've got another card, but it's upside down.
Okay.
Katie's
new boyfriend around the corner before Christmas, guys.
But it's lots of cups, lots of pencils.
I'm a water sign.
Oh, you're a water sign?
No, I'm Aquarius.
Yeah.
That's weird.
What's a Libra?
But I was late, so I could have been a Taurus. But I don't think I'm a Taurus at all. Not very Taurus-like.
I arrived on my due date.
A day
Oh god, with 3 Geminis in the house, you're quite a sociable house. Right. Just saying. We're the life of the party. Right, Katie, unknown.
Wait, what are you? Taurus.
You may need to seek balance in your life, but to do this requires trust and playfulness rather than concentration or caution. Your vlog viewers are going to think I'm absolutely batshit.
I think Fern's been like
Go follow Ella on YouTube. Ridelli. Mystic Ela is now making us cocktails.
Oh, I just crunched something really painful.
Menu.
Hello.
For the vlog.
For the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Right, I'm just here for the quiz.
Just don't point it at my camera. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Woo!
Another cup. Which one's mine? I have no idea. Right, round 2.
So it's Tuesday now, and it is, laptop's being funny so I don't know what time it is, but I think it's just after 11, and Tuesday's my day off, so I'm just going to finish doing my work this week. So I've got to finish reading this essay on Tintin Abbey by Wordsworth. I'm about halfway through it. I read it the other day. Read half of it the other day. Then I just need to sort out my folders because this is all my work from last week. And I also need to read poems for contemporary poetry tomorrow as well, which are in here. And I'm also going to, when my laptop decides that it likes me again, catch up on I'm gonna catch up on Riverdale as well. So that's my plan for today. Got my raspberries, got my water, got my fluffy socks on because it's cold. Yeah, that's the plan for today. I don't know if you'll see much today because I am literally just working. But yeah, so I've now finished all of my work that I had to do for this week, and now I'm just gonna make a list of video ideas and also blog post ideas because I've just made myself a website which has like my photography and stuff on. So if you go to katiemayphotography.co.uk, it'll be linked in the description below as well. But yeah, I'm just struggling for ideas at the moment, so I'm just gonna do some Google searches, get some inspo and see what I come up with. So it is now Wednesday and I have 2 lectures today. So I'm in from like 11 for a couple of hours and then back. I think me and Ella are going to the gym and Tesco, but I've just got my English lectures today, so I've got 2 poetry ones. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and have some breakfast and then yeah, me and Fern can go to our first lecture. I feel like this lighting is really bad, but it's still Wednesday and my flatmate James has just had his volleyball prees because he's on like the volleyball committee or something. And now me, Ella and Gemma are gonna go to the pub and then the others, I believe, are going to the student union. And this lighting's really bad. So it is Thursday today, which is my busiest day of the week. I have 4 light lectures, but they run for 5 hours. So that's gonna be fun. And then I need to come home afterwards and get ready, and then we're having an open mic night at Lit Society, that's what it's called, which I literally have like an hour between finishing to eat and get ready for that and then leave for that because that's like in town. I'm about to go have breakfast in a second and then I'm gonna meet one of my friends to walk to our lecture. And this is main building. We're on our way to Big Moose for the open mic.
As well.
Go on, Gemma, I don't want to inhale it. No, Gemma. Oh no, she has. Oh, Gemma. She's got the marshmallow you have. Wait. Yay.
Hi fans, I'm Gemma.
Smash that like button.
Ooh, that's a bit greasy. Right, we're about to start again, so if everyone's ready. And our next performer is Carrie Ann. So if you'd like to welcome Carrie Ann to the stage. I can do fine from here. Ela licking a moose. I just realised I was zoomed in.
I'm just so like socially blind.
So as you can see, I'm home now, back from the open mic night, which was really good. I'd never been to one before and neither had like my friends, so it was really cool. There were some really good performers. So it was everyone from, like everyone who performed was from uni, but like I think I didn't know a lot of them. There was a couple of people from my year. My president performed, she was really good. Actually everyone who performed was really good, so it was really cool, and a lot of people showed up as well, which is always good. I think I showed you a couple of clips. I had to do like the presenting for the middle section. I'm not very good at public speaking, so that was like but yeah, I just got to take photos of the performers for most of the night, which I'm gonna have to go through like tomorrow and edit and stuff and send them to performers and then put them on our social media as well. But it's really nice. And Big Moose, which is the place where we have it, which is like a coffee bar, but they also after 12 they serve alcohol, so it is like a coffee/bar as well as a coffee bar. I'm trying to log into my computer at the same time as doing this. And I also couldn't figure out the lighting, so I've got a light here that I can like move, but too dark or too bright basically. And I think it's only like 10:30. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do now. I might read for a bit actually. Go to bed. Whether to have a shower now or in the morning. I'm gonna have one in the morning. Not that you needed to know that. Tomorrow's Friday. I think that me and Ella might go to the cinema and for dinner tomorrow. So I have a £20 Bella Italia voucher that goes off in 4 weeks time. It doesn't go off, but it expires in 4 weeks time, so I need to use it. So I think we're going to do that, because I was going to go to the one at home, but then they shut the one at home, so I couldn't go. So I have to go to the one here in Cardiff in uni. My room's an absolute tip at the moment, literally. I still need to put my washing away from 2 days ago. See you tomorrow. So it's now Friday and I realise I've been forgetting to vlog this morning. It is currently 2 o'clock. I thought it was like 1 o'clock, but no, it's 2. This morning I haven't really done much. I got out of bed late because I have Fridays off. Then I just had a shower, had some breakfast, and now I am in the middle of filming some YouTube videos. So I filmed my second year uni book haul. And I'm about to film what's in my uni bag. Then I think I'm going to do travel budgeting one as well today. Then me and Ella are going to the gym later, I believe. And then we might go to watch a film, maybe grab some dinner. I said that really weirdly. Yeah, grab some dinner because I've got a Bella Italia voucher that needs using. But yeah, I'm currently set up with my little setup. This is my, if you ever wonder what I film my like main videos on, this is the Canon 750D. I have this little light box which needs some new batteries in it because it's like slowly dying, but that's just off Amazon. It was like £5 there. Then I have my tripod, which is whatever this brand is, Valbon X440. My dad bought it for me for Christmas one year. And then me and my dad have the same camera, so I just have a fluffy pom-pom on that got from Superdrug a couple of years ago on a 3 for 2, get free prize thingy-mabob. Anyway, I'm gonna go and film my what's in my uni bag video now, and I will see you later. So I've now done all of the filming that I wanted to do for today. I might film another video tomorrow, but I kind of need to plan that one because it's going to be like a student budgeting, if you want to go travel kind of video, which I think needs a bit more thought put into it, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think now I'm just gonna see what work I have to do this weekend. I need to put my washing away, then I might grab some lunch because it's like 2 o'clock and I should have eaten like an hour ago or something. But anyway, that's my plans. Me and Ella are in Pizza Express. We're probably gonna go and see a film afterwards. I've got an iced caramel latte, Ella has Diet Coke, and our food is on its way. Same. Our food has arrived. I've got cannellini, which is spinach and ricotta pasta, and Ella has a Florentina pizza.
Yeah, it's got egg and spinach.
Yummy. I'm now in Ela's room. She has flowers because the film when we got there was full up, and we've tried to watch a film on the Apple TV downstairs and it just cut out halfway through and we couldn't get it to work, and then it wouldn't work. Screen mirroring annoyingly. So we're now in her room. We have her Welsh dragons. Do they have names, Ela?
No, I've not named those.
Oh, they don't have names.
But we've got the hedgehog.
But we have Hassel the hedgehog. I don't know if you guys met Hassel the other day, but we went in Lidl just before it shut, and we found him, but he wasn't on sale yet. But Ela managed to persuade them to sell him to her, so he's called Hassel
He
the hedgehog.
to get. And then like, I've done that. Okay. What's this one now? That's a week in the life. Go subscribe.
What are you doing? A day in the life?
A weekend in the life.
A weekend in the life. We're in Costa. I've got a gingerbread latte. Ella's got a... Have you got a bonfire hot chocolate?
Yeah. It's a bit counteractive or counterintuitive to our gym session, but you know what? You only live once.
Yeah. As you can see, I am dressed as a cheerleader because we're going... It's really not focusing on me. We're going to a Halloween party that the theme is Halloween girls. So like Mean Girls, but Halloween girls. And I'm just recycling my outfit from last year because it's Saturday, so it's not actually Halloween. I've got a Halloween outfit, but that's with like a triplet outfit with two of my friends who one of them's coming to this party, but later the other is not here this weekend. But yeah, my outfit, about to go. Yeah, that's it basically. So I think it's just turned 11 and we are already home. Mainly because there wasn't really that many people that we knew at the party, so we decided to come home. I got changed because we decided we were going to the SU, and then we got downstairs ready to, like, you know, and then we decided we weren't going to the SU because none of us actually felt like it. So now I'm going to get in my pyjamas, and then I think we're going to have a film night in Ella's room. She's just shouted for us to go down, so I need to get my PJs and out of this dress. Yeah, basically that's what's crack-a-lackin'. So it's now Sunday and I am just doing my philosophy work for the week, which is reading this play, I believe it's by Sartre, called Weeclaw? I don't know how you say it. It's kind of interesting. They're obviously in hell, but it's like some weird form of hell. I'm like halfway through it. Very interesting. And then I'm also watching the new Sabrina the Teenage Witch thingy on Netflix, because Ella told me that's kind of linked to Riverdale, which is one of my favourite shows, so yay! And I've just got my glasses on, as you can see in the little... I think we're making pumpkins later, but for now I'm just doing my work. And my room's an absolute tip. Look at all of this. I just need to like sort it out. Everyone's doing pumpkin.
They're amazing.
This is going to be my pumpkin. We've just carved out his lid. Now it's time to scoot out his guts. Lovely! My pumpkin no longer has guts. And my pumpkin is finished.
You're sat on it.
Pumpkin.
What is it?
And here's my pumpkin outside. On a food bin, surrounded by bins. Classy as, but pumpkin has finished. Got his little candle inside. Yay! Pumpkin. Very proud. Took a while, but it's done.
Who's got small hair? Oh, Gemma, you've got the smallest hair. Oh, you trim it.
I've decided to make pumpkin pie from my pumpkin. And I'm going to start the process this evening by cooking this, and then tomorrow I need to go to the supermarket to get the rest of the ingredients. Yay!